Welcome to the Fox 19 Business Spotlight, where every day we highlight local tri-state businesses who can make your life better.
Welcome to the Fox 19 Business Spotlight. I'm Wayne Young. Joining me in the spotlight today is Brian Miller, Executive Vice President of the Home Builders Association of Northern Kentucky. Brian, good morning and welcome.
Thanks for having us out, Wayne.
Absolutely. This is the last weekend for the Cavalcade of Homes. It's been a tremendous success thus far, but why should people come out and join the Cavalcade yet this weekend?
Well, first off, it is your last chance. It is your last weekend. We have 14 homes that are professionally built by registered builders of the Home Builders Association of Northern Kentucky. The hours are noon to 5, both days on Saturday and Sunday. We've got some real neat things for them to see. There's a lot of homes with energy efficient features. Many of the builders today are including geothermal units, heating, ventilation, air conditioning units in their homes as a standard feature. But most of all, we've got one particular home which is very special to a lot of folks, and it's being called the Kentucky Mystery Mansion.
Yeah, that is in my notes to talk about the Kentucky Mystery Mansion. Ooh. Right. But it's on Turkey Foot, and it really is a mystery, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. The mystery surrounds around who the homeowners are. The rumor going for a couple of years now was that it was Joey Votto, and the people we see coming through are all wearing their Votto shirts, but it's not Joey's house. It's a nice couple who no, it's not.
You know who it is?
Well, we do, but
you're not allowed to tell.
We are not allowed to tell. We're keeping a secret. They're a very private couple.
But what you are allowed to tell is how do people get more information about the Cavalcade of Homes?
Well, probably one of the best places to go to is our website, and that's www.homebuilders.nky.com. We also have an iPhone mobile app they can download from the site, or they can simply go to Northern Kentucky Kroger's locations and pick up a guide, and the guides are also located in each one of the Cavalcade homes too.
If you're looking to build or remodel a home in the Northern Kentucky area, be sure to start by calling the Home Builders Association of Northern Kentucky and visit the Cavalcade of Homes this weekend. Brian, thank you.
Thank you.
And thank you for watching the Fox 19 Business Spotlight.
For more information on this featured business, go to fox19.com and click on Business Spotlight.